Hey everyone, welcome back to A to Z Videos, your go-to place for everything tech and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz in the smartphone world, the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. Should you upgrade? Stick around as we cover 5 solid reasons why these might be your next smartphone. Let's jump in. Section 1, Design and Build. Reason number 1, the sleek, upgraded design. Apple's iPhone 16 lineup features an even more premium build, thinner bezels, and some bold new color options. The aerospace-grade aluminum and ceramic shield make it both stunning and durable. For those who love stylish and strong devices, the iPhone 16 nails it. Section 2, Performance Boost with A18 chips. Up next, performance. Apple's brand new A18 chip delivers the fastest performance ever in an iPhone. It's perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone who juggles multiple apps without a hitch. With improved battery life to match, you'll get a powerful, reliable device all day long. Section 3. Reason 3 is all about the camera. The iPhone 16 Pro comes with a revolutionary 48-megapixel triple-lens camera system. With improved night mode, 8K video recording, and mind-blowing image stabilization, this camera is designed for content creators and photography enthusiasts alike. Every shot looks professional, no matter the lighting. iPhone 16 being used for multitasking, iOS widgets, and privacy features. Let's talk about iOS 18. With its new features like enhanced multitasking, personalized widgets, and top-tier privacy settings, the iPhone 16 brings an experience that's smoother and more secure. Whether you're a power user or just need a simple, fluid UI, this iPhone does it all. And finally, for all the display lovers out there, the iPhone 16 Pro's Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology is a game changer. The adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz means buttery smooth scrolling, sharper visuals, and a dynamic viewing experience. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, and everything in between. So there you have it, 5 compelling reasons to grab the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Whether it's the design, performance, or camera, Apple has really stepped it. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to A to Z Videos for more tech breakdowns and reviews. See you next time.